WordPress course outline. How to create full business or e-commerce website. Go to Appearance, then click on Themes, then again, click on Add New Theme. Now select the theme you want, then click on Install. Then click on Activate. Then click on Let's Get Started with Starter Templates. Then wait for some moments. Now click on Build with Templates. Now select the design which one you like. Now select your logo as shown in video. Here you can adjust logo size. Here you can change the font. Here you can change the color. Now click on Continue, then again, click on Continue. Now write the required details as shown in video, then click on Submit and Build My Website. Then wait for some moments. Then click on Visit Your Website. Now you can see your full functional website is ready. Note, you can do full customization to your website as you need.